Oh my gosh, I'm about to sneeze. Okay, in the state of Georgia, we're not really known for knowing how to handle snow.
Bumper to bumper, hour after hour, on roads so slippery, cars and trucks could not get traction.
And after visiting Pennsylvania and having a true understanding of what winter feels like, I can tell you that this in the forecast means people are about to start freaking out. Here's what I mean by that.
We'll take a look at our computer and find out where the snowfall is.
And I'm sure you see stories, if you don't live in Georgia, you probably see stories of this on the news.
Hardly a typical Saturday night in Buckhead's Club District. Downtown, the same story. Maybe David Copperfield made everyone disappear. His performance at the Fox vanished, along with the rest of the city's entertainment. All in all, not a good night to be out looking for a party. But if you do try, dress accordingly.
Like, the stores will be completely barren of a couple things: firewood, milk, eggs, which I've never really understood that, because if your power goes out, what are you going to do with those eggs?
That's the secret ingredient to eggs erroneous.
It's got your protein, it's got your calcium, it's got your primo taste. We are talking endurance insurance. Know what I mean?
Oh, and bread. Milk, eggs, and bread, right? Those are the three things, plus the firewood makes four things that get just sold out of stores around here. Drivers do not know how to drive in or under icy conditions, and that's okay. Listen, I prefer to stay home, warm, make a fire, chill out, work in my sweatpants, and just kind of play it safe. Which reminds me, I need to go get some firewood.